Jackhammer hack number 2, fishing wood, structures, and laydown. Typically, you running a slender minnow style bait on the jackhammer. That will let the bait roll when it comes up to wood and structure, and then of course sticking the hook. Go with a wider profile beaver style bait. This is one right here. What happens, gets to the wood, it keeps the bait from rolling back and forth and keeps the hook upward. A good one for that is the 6 cents prawn. These are 3 of my favorites. That has a wider body. The Excite Sucker Punch. This has a wider body, slimmer, not quite as tough as the Producto lure. This is the widest one that I've used so far. Does great, fish wood. Hope this hack helps you. Subscribe to the channel and stay tuned, because next we're talking swim jig.